that is. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-pack here. And this, yeah! We're going to go ahead and do these with Arianna. We got these from the Godfather and the Godmother of Pyro Nation. All right, stick around. All right, so we're going to give this a shot here. Let's see if... There we go. There we go, Arianna. Oh, we got a little flame. Whoa, look at the smoke. Don't grab it. Woo. Now get out of the smoke. You're gonna get black lung. One of these will knock out 20 years of smoking cigarettes. Look, it's chasing you now. Whoa! No. That's kind of neat, ain't it? Look how long it goes. Oh. Now you can punch the smoke. Go ahead. Punch it? Yeah. All right, hold on. This is cool. Hold on. You think it's... Let's wait. Hold on. There she goes. All right. What do you think, Ari? Cool? Yeah! It won't make a noise. There we go. There we go, girls. Watch. Oh, wait. A little flame. Little flame. Starts off with a flame. How you doing? My granddaughter and I, we're doing smoke. We're both pyros. There we go. All right. Be careful. You too. Have a smoking good day. All right. No, don't go in the smoke. Yeah. I got your shoe back. Oh my goodness.
I kicked the smoke in it.
Okay, we got to be careful. Oh, no, Arianna's trying to kick the smoke. Really? Oh my goodness. 9 years old. We call that kitty craziness. All right, Ari, this one's going real long. Get out of the smoke. Arianna, out of the smoke. You're crazy. Hey, that one lasted pretty long. All right. Let's do another one. We'll do another white one first. Okay, so we got 2 going on at one time.
And it's like you can't even see through it.
I know. Look out, everybody!
Look out.
This is what, number 4 and number 5. There was a 6-pack. No, stay on the sidewalk. We're on acre number 12 here at the BBQ Rando Ranch, where the cars come through and park for the weekend events. So there we go. Out of the smoke. Nope. Okay. We're doing good. We're doing good. Whoa! Let's get the last one, yeah. BBQ!